I say
Hello, YouTube. This is Daddy and Kyle again
I
today.
can say that. Daddy and Kyle again. And here's the Hoover turbopower 2 autosense. Now to talk.
Yeah, here's the turbopower 2 autosense. This is a 1994 model. This is off. This is one of the original machines that they made. How to tell an early machine to the later machines is, I think you can just about see it there.
It's a screw on.
There's a little screw that holds the cap on. These things here, that's a bit awkward because if there's a jam in it, you've got to literally unscrew it. The later ones have a little slider.
My cat's in there.
This turbopower 2 autosense was a bit of a pain in the ass to do, to be honest with you.
No, see how quiet it is now.
To get it as quiet as that, I had to replace the aggregator bearings, and I also invested in a set of genuine turbopower 2 belts. And when I put the new belt on it, it was back to the old rattly turbopower. So in the end, I've put a worn belt on it with a little bit of a stretch in it, and it's gone back to the quietness. And here it is in action. Now it's just powered itself down. When it doesn't sense dirt, it will actually power itself down a bit. Now it's powered itself down again. See what looks going on? So right, that's the turn button. And now it's on the low power setting, and now it's
Sounds like a silk protector now.
So Carl's showing you all the little functions it's got. That's a handy little button to have. This machine here, I'll just show you in there as well.
It's got the silver in there.
Yeah, we've got the filters in it as well. I've just washed them. I will
No,
get
look
some.
at the bus bar spinning.
Right.
Still sounds
See that now is really smooth. I don't think I can get any better than that.
No.
And what you're going to say to Kyle?
Bye all now.
And
Subscribe now.
please subscribe.
Please.
And there he is, the turbopower 2 autosense.
Bye.
Bye.